In this video, I will show you how to add custom text animation in CapCut. After you open the CapCut, go to text section at the top and then drag the text like this. After you add your text, now you want to add the custom text animation for your text. So now click on the text, go to this option and type in what you want to type for your text. After you type in, now you can position it like this, and you can reduce the size of the text in this option. So for this video, I'll just leave it like this. So here is my text. Now if you want to add the custom text animation, after you select the text, go to animation. So here there is three options for the animation. There is in animation, there is out animation, and there is loop. So let's start with the in. So if you click on this in, there is different animation that CapCut gives you for the in animation. So let's start with this one. So if you click on the animation, it will automatically be added to your text like this. So now let's play the text and see how it works. So that's the in animation. And if you want to change the in animation, just click on the text. There is different animation. You can go ahead now and choose among this animation and choose the one that you want to use. And then the out animation. The out animation works at the end of your text. So let's start with this one. Let's take this one. So if you click on the text on the animation, it will automatically be added to your text. So now let's play the end of my text and see how it works. So you can see now here is the animation. So now if you want to change the length, all you have to do, just click on the text, go to this animation. So like this. Now if you want to change the duration, just click on the text, go to this animation. So from there is the duration for text. So now here is the duration for the in and here is the duration for the out. So now go ahead now and change. You can increase or you can decrease from this side. So after you finish your editing, that's for the in and for the out. So now let's start for the let's test the loop. So the loop animation, it works like in the entire text. So if you select the text like this, go to this loop. So in this loop, let's start with this one. So as you can see now, the loop animation works on the entire text. As you can see now, you can just go ahead and try each one that you want to use. So if you want to change, click on it, go to animation, go to loop. So from there, you'll be able to see different loop animation. You can go ahead now and choose the one that you want to use for your text. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.